2027 Ghana Premier League season no and so ebetimi asha say nyame ya adoma on the 28th of May on the 4th of September mumfanchame on the 4th of September and according to the Ghana Football Association no almost say the Ghana Premier League you know so yebesha say na yewie no on the 28th of May 2027 enti nyame ya adoma September 4th ya no ye started the Ghana Premier League and so our Ghana ha na teams na asase a omo eya ho minim say Jude won Asante Kotoko medicals no ma asase ye no ha because we say players no ma kotrete na fie ni adenti no o say hwe obia including the new players omo so e join team ye hwe obia fitness level and so na the new season no and so team kick starting ten no Asante Kotoko and so I start here omo ye exercise ni na ansana omo dey run into the new season now and then me focus me person yin na no yehwe and I say baby am person dey focus no kono the Asante Kotoko and come ye time di omo be start season bia wholesale changes 20 goal 25 in 20 goal 25 in 10 na the 15 aba e come here anytime bia no ye be season ani apam players bebre ni akofa bebre esa dia ba obo one season pe ni asa jomu nyina kwan as say we understand say Asante Kotoko ndongani samba onel odo eko and I understand say kwan bogun so no with ne performance na empenifo say omunye impressed with ne performance o meja kwan bogun so no ekwan amano akọ abetamu ade so yenimisa Asante Kotoko ton no na a loan na obo edimom loan nso wabo awie enti automatically na so okọ back to ne mother air club na okusi akan ediamo unless e bi Asante Kotoko say afedie ye pa brante no ye be pese ye be sign this ka akofa no ye no ababo so far I think ye said anti players ni bebre say omo kosa but then I don't know this season no where ye be start to sign money bim that whole say changes 20 no not 25 abani where ye be to sign man
rich medase unim season we dey nya dey ye be twe amomo dabi entimi nsi enya ye ni so rejutie mejitum say dia players ebi be ko ebi be ba mejitum especially when our players be sorry omo contract aba na wie obi on man contract ba na wie regardless of the offer and our proposal at the baby ano enya adwuma because nani ekre baby kwakunya contract more juicier than the over present and the reality is that yenimi leg no see same situation and see sane man dey na days so was control say player contract ewu no see on renewal days so betimi aya because so who case of man even $1,000 make offer kwakwaji be $5,000-7,000 those things are understandable and on ntimi blame club no but rich mimi die nie men konko sister nipa 20-30 when a wonim say in reality no players na kwakoto mu no emu be 7-8 pe na ohie omo man nye the usual business na make us afi Kotoko no onim the one from the past 2-3 seasons rich there be a me kan no crab akopere as no kra ne kan den yem na Apinkra wa moira na kan no crash whole plane yewra na Apinkra wa moa
aro eden
Kotoko within the period Eka Kotoko boy players atoto it me to 15-16 near the baba beguo ebi mpo ba ball no omunya bi mbo which means say me dey benya eme for sane man players li bitimi ba omu nkeke bompo ni atom abeguo oyo ohine medini buo na ni die ma no ba no kwani say me na amoa and especially when I feel the background they say me remfi say yewra or a chartered accountant so ya we enti eba accountant dey say if you are one accountant omugua accountant for enkrofobia sikaye o discussion nsa and sikaye before obey one city crowd just all justify and I make us so hu e had ye pay bia de maye patrolty bibie hia bia de maye but nsa na accountant be ka say o yi sika no nature sade no man justify beyond reasonable means meboa but ye na Apinkra no cry ba kope na breso you rate me more than 3 million say yem fan to players meboa rich ye ba to gumu a enkonkosi ba bia ye wia ne asa apamo saa and the reality is that ye na Apinkra breso wamwa kotoko eba in terms of signings ye boka guikwa because within that period rich me patcho den ye je patcho so to me point na say except one FA Cup trophy me boa yeah like anti ba kotoko nsuri team o che that period ye spend day pa
and you understandable because you say me kan year ombefa bobuku no sabe na vin kotoko ja players be 10 or 15 kwan amomo koi so obviously so what 10-15 players kwan momo kwa you need to replace them what I say it is a 15 now the infant say 15 kwa 15 comes in
yes
right so I mean yen na eji to say team bia or start your season maybe abenya team ba kwa the board the previous ya pam 15 and that 10 de kono dey to say the affair na oye team fufro
yes
enti no how our team no be see abo in the new season no ebia probably first season enti be nhwehwe ma
me too
what I say ebia subsequently the league na season na ye be wura ma ye de kono ebia in your second season or third season fourth and fifth no and ebia result no be say because a new players no maba afa no mbete kotoko na se o ma beti o mo ho ase azana ball na nkasa abeti bibia ma na no so ba enti I think a hono de ye bo miti so bebria enye yi ana
me de mebo mutiri so pa because minim dia akom which nyam pa me nda meto mebu abie ne mamu yi on se we ne yamre ni nti rate no kwa ba ko pe ye ra akwasi apia ye na Apinkra mo omo amoaye even scouting of talent any said ye niema kotoko at point na arehu ye be ye mobo me kan ya me kan ho ye ba be ye mobo said ye niema the kind of investment akọ into kotoko any results are eba no hwe rich me kan okra bi a kire say how to folk o say how to folk ye bo season we na we di third fourth in a way it is understandable one transfer ban and so patch say no cranso yenim a matter of fact obi antimi deny because your boys to mu edu baby you mu bi an etimi support you mu etimi go 2-3 months players na be nkan rich when even Naija Wisa o de onim hwekra no Naija Wisa mama me ka say edu baby no this team Port City so omo nsia Port City owner anka come de omo nkan pa meboa patch wanka a fact as ma me presenting you say ebia here so a fact okay Naija o ekan say nya Port City owner na nka omo tire omo ekom de omo ba kotoko de ndi ntisa o bosume so ya na yetua the least paid player of kotoko 3,000 bibia omo enjoy bibia ye feed omo camper ye feed omo twice a day right sikano ni ye use ni ye akwasi apia amoa na ye na Apinkra nso amoa na omo asem kana na de manfo ba no kra no ti bro new season ni supporters no supporters forum so ote ho asem ade ba ko a ye bra Alex Manu Rezi ya me bona baso ye pa saade no on say side issue of ye future players contract mu ye jam mako because supporters forum no Patrick Akoto IT on a representative management omo de asem so man so mfa come board say my board ni ntia CSA season ye future players mu left right center contract no afi ye mpesa ade na ti right so no ne ya agene ye mpesa ade na ti because now credit say rich be on man me who say business be na bi mudi o e bia na me nya adwe ba me sa na me hu no say player o ho ya sign player ya na say twa ne contract no ko na che say bia jama panyu bia na team bi di ama no etimi twam makwa kokko ska wa kire sa na me hu no enti season yi ye so sa na ma ne so biom omo nti sa de na se enti rich me jitum players ni bi contract ewu e bi nso last season kotoko indiscipline na 13 so okay so it is issues ni ade nyina indiscipline by team mumpa so ordinarily so okay say oh fan by data your certain players mpa e bia enye omo football nti anya sporting reasons nti e won say do omo to transfer based on anyama esi na going forward e be say man bebe team mu no your players be on ma definitely be job mo kwan but who your signings are you just have to be strategic because meaning how to folk about 2-3 seasons ago Oja players bi kwan na nkom peso obeja omo kwan na oyema ne ye fensem bi o ho aba na ma abontene but minim say your players bi on my house eja omo kwan na nka anya omo pe but because of enema bi na asisi result me point na say enti kotoko it was obvious say last season players and massam camp issues enema asisi anya ne ekun kotoko na former player justice blame wa meka yeti bebre nsem esi nyina no sa profile ni nyina be wo ho enti no se fa sa ne ma ni nyina na it means say and your players who are minimum play a player bitimi ka say me dem atwa ma bosomi aso market you obitimi ka say but I can know or chance bosomi be so net is onye committed to the cause of kotoko
so any matter of
yes
players no mun disappointed whoever or this our players in the buy because e bia nipa ne kofa player na ba no e dia sabi asante kro mfiti prekope enom ka so yen kofa play or player B. There will be a data numbers. I be pulling in na ya share so we were bar position na person obobo no betimi ababebo. But oboba no they said you can na you know
yes.
Ohun so as say my boss ASANTE KOTOKO. Itiami kaye any ade trimu den any ade bi na setting then na ama all of a sudden performance are not the ma on in the previous club ya you ya yakofa in the buy no. Now for back to ntimi fa sa performance dem ma eno na nya player animum na disappointed club.
A good question we be Rachel T. Bibia Jigui last season from Esro started free Esro. Started free ye na Apinkra wu anamu na almost side ho Esro ho. And a see from Bibia Jigui. Now Rachel say na o kan. One player signings no. Me can say me actual match from tricks be because me football adwuma my no more than 20-25 years. Rich me mo bi nkotan video bi mama meto utie YouTube any Facebook mfan da da mu koto company for mama mani nda ho mo ne ha company phone na onim de ntia me kasa me pay me experience and what will grow we mu Rich say offer video now start say oh share about player now be who the passes near the yi passes come at the man in the goals bi a current one no be who the be 2-3 minutes baby enko yie no eno na anom de kwata ato and the first 2-3 videos now who na first 3-4 minutes no ube baby na all say goals all ball and enjoy kotoko nya player bi akwa no who say na nzo the videos added amount for chroma pass so who bebre mebo kotoko ne has nyina
clubs are not depending on YouTube video
maybe so bro
and on the top players
yes almost depend pa
then that's
yes I'm telling you
na me imagine we some player bi am the neighbor ASANTE KOTOKO na so we bi am hia ne videos enti bi amomre mi bia ufu so ba bia wanya de me twa de amam
dabi na sa amam for adwuma sese bro ye nyina truth of the matter is ye nyina ye bi the boa players mo di tu kwan ye nim sa de no eni eni articles abetimi atro de afa player ho but what dey make sure na say make sure mo tricks e won because ye masters e o game bro even MVP so nim say man of the match kra adwuma sese won so ya we man of the match mpo ye timi sese adwuma enya mi o me nka say mi o but amam for timi sese adwuma obi betimi age man of the match be 10 na me ho nice articles aba ni nyina ne say chale mum project player we ma me na call foreign market abrofo so sa ne ma na won say form we so because what kind nice article or feature about the player sa dia no minia e betimi si wo ha ye fa players ni videos ne da videos bi o sha na fa ni tim akwa ni e good o
there scouting report now no munya answer on their players.
A very good question we beside. That is the reason why it is very imperative.
Because on show YouTube in top player. There should be a scouting report. Just a branding no. Position here for fan naban or 50.
Apart from result. Yes, apart from say be a boy no as a winger. Otimi sound so a ball as a defender. Otimi ball as a centre back. Otimi ball rolls way. Now where background checks, enough background checks, they don't do it. Timbacho steady. About 80% of the returnees, no one saw mobile muntimimbo. But also a steady side, about 80 to 90% of returnees in Timimbo, and almost why you videos. Hey, you see player be not say, do no muntimimbo, because of our trek now, bro, metro. 81 returnees no mobile, Monshaw Muye, and the 2 ASI videos now more rely solely on. Weekend any yampa next week no yaba be selling na say be on when say be on yama bebremu season ye pay the best for them
3220 83581